Happy Thursday. What's happening? We are preparing to pour some concrete. Josiah. Safety first. So if you're wondering what they're doing, that's the support for the retaining wall. We just didn't want to throw any dirt down and just say, hey, it's all there. So we're tamping it consistently. You'll see the process. My guys Josh and Hector, they're pushing a little bit of the road base down, you see. Then from there, they'll wet it up. And then Hector will tamp it down again. Joe here is getting the last lines set up for our patio section. And we even go all out, folks. You see? Rebar and everything with it. Just another day, Alpine Installations.